Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing E from alphabet lore. To get started, let's draw in a straight line from the back around here, starting from here and going all the way down to around this point. Once you're done with that line, let's draw in the top of our E, which will be a straight line curving slightly up to this point. Once you're done with that, we're going to curve and draw in the top of the E. And then back in, not touching the back, just enough to give our top portion of our E. Once you're done with that, from here, just go on down just slightly and across all the way to here. And this is where we're going to curve again, similar to the top, but not as big. It's just going to be a small curve. Go across to around here and stop, because this is going to be where our first eye is for the E. So from here, we just curve up and connect. And for our other eye, it's going to start from this corner and curve down, up, and connect. With these two shapes done, we just need to add in our eyes, which is going to be a straight line across on both sides and a little iris. Once you're done with the iris, all we really need is some color. Color these in really quick and we can move forward. Now for the rest of the E, let's go on this bottom left of the eye and go across, matching to this point right here to the eye, and then similar to here, we're going to go down to this point. Once you're done with that, we're going to curve it all the way to this point for the bottom of the E. Let's do that, curve to that point. Similar to the top, let's do a curve, and finally just connect it to the bottom. Once you're done with the main E, we need to add in the teeth. So there's going to be a bottom row of teeth starting from the middle-ish of the E, like so, and we just need two lines for the bottom row. Once you're done with that, we need the top row. Start from here, go across and back up, and then we're just going to draw in 3 lines for the top row. And there you have it. Once your line drawing is done, let's add some color real quick. Looking good. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.